This is a sacred place of prayer. This place is called Akrefuso, a place of souls. Akrefuso, a place of souls. What we do here is we take a piece of bread or biscuits, whatever that is in our hearts, then we say it on. We throw it in when the fish comes to pick it, meaning that we are very clean and also in heart. When it doesn't, meaning that there is something wrong with us that we have to do with it. I don't know either of you having this piece of bread to try their faith.
Unfortunately.
Neither of you. Is that where we can buy it?
This is where the moon is going.
Sure. We felt the presence of people around. Store. This is a cocoa. I don't know which of you having likes of chocolate.
Yes.
So this is a cocoa tree, and that is the pod. It is not grafted with the gourd fruit. This is the fruit that I talk about, that he wakes up in the morning, whatever that he imagines, he draws on it and gives names and meaning to it. So this is a gourd fruit. You just cut it, you divide it into 2 equal halves. Whatever that is inside, it's having its ornamental purpose. It just doesn't break. It looks very tough. So those that they are very swift, they will do this, you just hold it and then they'll be swinging with it. You understand? I don't know if any of you would want to try. You can just hold, you grab it up and you swing with it. If you want to do it, sure. You grab it up. And then there you go.